Sheriff's Office.
Yes, hi. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. I am calling in regards to a problem I've been having with a judge.
I'm sorry, say that again?
I said I'm calling in regards to a complaint that I've made in the past about a certain judge, and I do have the necessary information to have him arrested, but no one wants to do that. So I'm trying to find out what the mechanism is for getting some justice administered.
You said a juror?
No, yes, a judge.
There's so much static in the background. I'm trying to hear you very hard, and I'm not quite sure I know what you're asking.
Okay. Well, I've filed a complaint, and I've submitted...
You filed a complaint with Human Resources, with Internal Affairs?
Yes. So, and I've never gotten a response, any letter, notification, acknowledgement, or anything.
And this is regarding a BSO employee?
No, this is in regards to a judge.
A judge?
Yes.
Okay, did you direct your correspondence to the courthouse, to the Broward County Courthouse?
Yes, and I have done that, and they have just ignored me. So I guess the Broward Sheriffs will be the last defense that any lawful or reasonable man will have. So I'm just calling to see if my reports have been taken seriously, or will they just tossed aside as...
well, that you have... have you made a police report on this?
Yes, I have.
Okay. And you're waiting for this person to be arrested?
Yes, I have the documents that he is operating outside of the public trust, and the sheriffs that work around him they refuse to adhere to their duties and responsibilities to act on one's behalf as because I have gone in and made several attempts to have BSO deputies serve my private documents, and they've refused to act. So I'm calling again.
I don't know where you need to talk to. You're waiting for your papers to be served? Is that what you're saying?
Okay. Do you have any reports listed under Eddie Banks in regards to complaints filed against...
I'm sorry? There's so much static. I can't hear what you're saying.
Okay. Can you look up in your system the reports that I've filed in regards to BSO activities and complaints about public officials?
The incident. You need the records office. Hold on.
Yeah.
Partnership with the Florida Department of Children and... Sheriff's Office, Records Department, can I help you?
Yes, hi. My name is Eddie Banks, and I'm calling in regards to, I'm trying to get some understanding of the reports that I've filed and with your office, and the internal affairs complaint that I actually came in to the office to talk to a detective. And I've never gotten a response, no closure, no acts on my behalf to obtain some justice. So I'm trying to figure out where Broward County stands, or the Sheriff's Department, in enforcing the Constitution of Florida and the United States.
Okay, so this is regarding the IA case? Because we don't have internal affairs. This is just criminal records here.
Okay, so...
So this is regarding internal affairs case?
Okay, no, that's a separate issue. Do you have any information with my name in regards to a Richard I. Barber,
Okay,
Circuit
what kind
Court?
of, okay, hold on, let's back up some.
Yes.
Was anybody arrested, or what kind of case is this?
No, I was trying to get this gentleman arrested, but no one is, everyone is refusing to do so. I've gone to the U.S. Marshals, I've called the FBI, I've been up and down the chain with Broward Sheriff's Office, and I've seen no justice, no fair and arbitrary hearing, and I'm calling to see, is this going to be the continued policy of Broward County Sheriffs?
Okay, what did you find a report? What date was that?
I don't have the report date.
What day did you call the police in? So I can at least try to look up something. What date was it found?
I will have to go through my video records and see which date exactly it was.
Okay, because in order for me to get, if you don't have a case number, for me to start researching for you to find any case number to see who was assigned to the case, whatever the case may be, I need a date, time, or location. I need those two things to start searching for you.
Really? So you can't just do it on names?
What date was this? Well, at least, we have 3 different systems. So I need to know the date so I can know where to look.
Okay, it would be within the past 2 years.
So you don't have...
actually, no, last year, 2011.
And last year, at least what month? Give me that much.
October.
What's the person's last name you're referring to?
Banks.
And the first name?
Eddie.
E-D-D-I-E or Y?
I-E. And
what city was this?
This was Fort Lauderdale. And the judge's name was Barber.
I don't need a judge. We don't have any judges over here. The police department.
I know, but he was named in the complaint. So maybe you can search by...
Oh, no. We'll do that. Hold on. You just need a suspect and a victim only. This was last year, October?
Yes.
And was the Oakland part, like, Tamarack, because everyone said Fort Lauderdale, and it's actually a city. Do you know, like, was it a section of Tamarack, for example,
No,
or a section
it was
of
in
probably
the court.
unincorporated?
It was in the courthouse itself.
Okay. You know Eddie Banks' date of birth? I'm not showing anything so far.
3173.
This is October of last year.
It was from October, and I made calls in November also.
This is at the courthouse both times? They came on and spoke to you?
About a court, yes. I actually submitted a citizen's warrant of arrest that the sheriff's deputy served it to him, but they wouldn't arrest him or anything. So I want to see what became of that.
And what is your name?
Eddie Banks?
Oh, you are Eddie Banks. Okay.
Yes.
But you said it was against Eddie Banks. So who was the other person involved? The judge or?
The judge, Bernard I. Bober. And those were violations under Section 18 and 242, I believe. Deprivation of rights under color of law.
Okay, the only thing I'm finding is one occurrence or report that was made in July of last year, and one was made in the month of December of last year. Nothing in October.
Okay.
So I have a July report written with your name in it, and I have a December report written at the courthouse with your name in it.
Okay.
But nothing for October.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm interested in those two events, but more specifically with the one with the judge.
They both have the judge in it.
Excuse me?
They both have the judge in the report.
Oh, okay. All right. Wonderful. Well, specifically the one in December.
Okay. What we have here is just a copy of the report. Let me see what's a detective assigned. Hold on. Because we don't follow up with cases here in records. That's for you and the detective if one is assigned. Hold on. Okay. Based on what I'm seeing in the report, I don't see a detective being assigned to the case. What I could do is give you the courthouse district's number for BSO, and you can speak to Deputy Blackman, which is the deputy who wrote your report back in December, to see if he has any follow-up information for you. Because all we have here in our end is just a report.
Well, actually, if he basically asked me if I was out of my mind and laughed at me. So, and that video is on YouTube, by the way.
Okay.
And I'm just trying to get some understanding because my rights are being trampled upon, and I can't get any justice. I can't.
Okay. Well, you're talking to the records division,
Okay.
and what we do here is we house reports.
Okay.
As
So
far as
how
the
can I get?
outcome
May I have a copy of those reports dispatched to me?
Sure.
Thank
You
you.
can come get a copy of them.
I can come. Could you mail them, please?
Okay. In order to be mailed to you, you have to either request it first in writing, and we
Okay.
mail it back out to you, or you could go online and request it.
Oh, okay. All right. Wonderful. I can do that. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye.